Hello everybody, today I want to show you something I just bought yesterday, and this is the box. This is how it looks like. It's a box with I'm upside down. A box with some Chinese language here. I don't know how to read. And then it's a big flower in the corner here, and the information. This is the assorted nuts mooncake. They have some information on the back and the nutrition facts on the back. Also the information, the expiration, no, not expiration, best before, best used before, something, and then the information of the manufacturer make it. So let me open inside so you can see it. See, this is the mooncake. Look at this one. It's inside. It's a yellow. The box inside is yellow, and they have 4 mooncake. It's one in the contain a box like this. Let me take out one so you can see the inside. Let me take out this one. And they have the clock here, kind of yellow. I think I bought this. This box is for $15.99 after 20% discount because it's close to the mid-autumn event. That's on the 15th of the August of lunar calendar. So the store must sell away before that day. Actually, before a day before that day. So that means like it's on the 15th. It's the mid-autumn event. They must sell all the cake before on a 14th of the month. So that's why they sell us in the 20% off, because after that time no one eat it and no one buy it. The only thing they have to bring home, they eat by themselves or they have to do something. 4 of them is $16 after 20% discount, and this is assorted nut. Let me open so you can see inside how it look like. Okay, here, this is how it look like. And they have the thing to keep the moisture out of the cake or something, but don't make this one. This one is chemical. But if you make your own mooncake at home, you don't need it, so you don't smell the chemical on there. But unfortunately, I have never made mooncake by myself. I eat most of them, yes, but I have never. I saw a lot of people make the mooncake too, but I never tried it. I never touch my hand on and do the nicking the flour stuff, but this one is how it look like. You know, it's a round. I like the one that swear better. It's swear and not like this. It's another thing, another different one, not this one. But anyway, because yesterday I didn't open it. Inside here, there's all many nuts in here. I saw they have many different types of mooncakes sold in the Asian grocery store in the US. Most of them they import from China. From this one is from Hong Kong, product of China, but from Hong Kong. And I hope you can see it. They have almond They have almond, sesame, melon seed, Indian almond seed, walnut, orange, sweetened melon, white sugar, peanut oil, wheat flour. Contains wheat, peanut, almond, and walnut. And they have the day here best before September 20, 2019. But you know what? By September, not the September, by the August 15 of 2018 lunar calendar, if they don't sell this, they must bring home to eat sometime, because no one will buy it, willing to buy it after that time. Anyway, that's the manufacturing Hang Hong Cake shop come in Hong Kong, England. That's nutritious. Yep. I think the cost of the box is probably a part of the. Anyway, I go open it and see what is. But now let's see. And they give me a bag too, because they give us a bag too. So the most of people buy the mooncake to give away to the family members. Most of them to parents, family members, something like that. That's why they have the bag like this. It's nice looking bag, and then you carry it around like this. Anyway, I will make some hot tea, and then we eat it. Alright, thank you for watching. See you next video.